Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is November 28 and we're going to be looking at the chart of the pound yen here, guys. And we favor more upside, right? And in the short term, we are looking for further upside while it stays above 204.31 here. Now, the problem with just looking at the 1 hour time frame sometimes is you don't understand what the big story is, right? That's why it is extremely important to always look at multiple time frame so that we do not narrow our view to just day by day, hour by hour swing in the market, right? So here, if we take a look at the shorter time frame, this is 45 minutes, by the way. We're looking to see more upside while it says above 204.31. We're within wave 5, and within wave 5 we are subdividing into another 5 waves. So we got this 1 2 3 4 5 ending 1 of 5 in black, and then we got 2 of 5, and then we will see 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and 5 of 5. So the chart is currently uploading here, so refreshing, so we still need to wait a little bit here. All right, so in terms of potential target higher, well, typically you want to wait 1 to finish and 2 to finish, and then you can then measure 100% extension like this to the upside, where 3 equal 1 as the minimum target to the upside. The alternate we could have ended with 5 immediately over here, since we already have 5 ways, right? So I can upgrade the degree here, 1 2 3 4 in blue, and then this 5 in blue ending 5 in black. That will be the alternate where we can finish with 5. Now, where is that 5 waves in the black? If we zoom out to the 4 hour, this is where we are. Sorry, this is the daily time frame. Let me go to the 4 hour now. Okay, so we're looking to complete a 5 way sub from this low here from October 2nd. So we got this 1 2, and then we got 3 4, and then now looking to finish with 5. Now this is looking to finish 1 of 5, and then we got 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, 5 of 5. Then we finish this entire 5 waves. Then we might potentially get a bigger pullback again in 3 waves to correct this entire rally. Now, zooming out even further to give you the really big picture. Now here we got this weekly time frame, which is very interesting. Now where we are is, I mean, if I zoom out everything, then we are not really, I mean, we are still at the low end, right? We're still at the low end. However, now this is extremely interesting here, guys, because big time frame is where the big money is made, right? Multi-decade, multi-year sort of idea. That's where the price action really is. If you want to identify, if you want to know the super cycle trend, multi-decade trend, then you have to look at weekly, monthly time frame, which tells you a lot more information compared to the 1 hour. Now look at this. We are in fact bottoming big time here, big time bottoming, like mix multiple bottom in this level here, right? And then we are pressing ahead. No, we took out this one already, right? We took out, so we are out of this range. This is multi-decade range, by the way, from 2008, and then we are about to take this out, guys. Not too far. It is not too far. Now if it takes this out, basically we are getting out of multi-decade range, and we're going to create a lot more separation to the upside in the coming years. So I think based on this weekly, monthly, guys, I'm not even interested to sell at all, right? At all, because I believe we're going to easily go next to this level, which is around 250 or so in the next few years, a year, 2 years, 3 years. That's going to be when the trend is, right, with the pound yen. And if you want to know the Elliott wave, you can see it from this low. So we got this 1, 2, and then you can consider this as your wave 3 here. So any pullback, again guys, we might see a bigger pullback or so, but I don't think it matters. In the biggest of scheme of things, any pullback is going to be an opportunity to buy in the dips, in my opinion. Now I know it sometimes can get a bigger pullback, like what, you know, for example, if we finish the cycle here, we can get a bigger pullback. But again, it's just you know, you don't want to always try to trade every single move, especially if you know the big picture is looking like this. I think this is really looking for a big breakout, right, to the upside. And again, so we are still near the lows. We are, look at this, how much decline it is. We are now starting to roll over, and really multi-decade, multi-years, we should be going up here. Okay guys, now I know it's gonna take a long years, so in the meantime everybody's gonna forget about this and they trade every single swing in the 1 hour. But I think it is really bullish, I think. Okay, so again, we do like more upside, and we do favor buying the dips overall in any pullback in the pair in 3-7-11. For now, we're looking extension higher within wave 5, and then once the wave 5 is finished, we can get a bigger pullback again. But again, the count can always change. This could be 1-2 nesting, for example, or it could be many different ways. But I think the bigger time frame here, this will not change. This is bullish. So no matter what the adjustment is in the shorter cycle, could be a nest, more bullish, and so on and so forth, will not change anything in the bigger picture. It is going to be any dips will become a buy opportunity in 3-7-11. Okay, so that is the update for today, guys. As always, if you are interested in getting more updates on pound yen or any other forex commodities indices, feel free to check out service. You can get for the index trial using the link. We also currently run Black Friday promotion, very big discount if you take advantage. If you are a non-member right now, this is the best time for you to take advantage of our Black Friday promotion. So I'll see you guys again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.